Spot drones, airport karaoke and a tourist who tried to zipline in heels, Mother's Day travel madness. Opening brief. Are you what's good travel fam? It's your girl Rattles, and today is Friday, May 9th, we're cruising into Mother's Day weekend and I just wanna say, shout out to all the mamas, glam mamas, aunties, and bonus moms out here still rocking travel slippers and organizing passports better than TSA. This one's for you. First brief. Spa hotel uses flying drones to deliver champagne and chocolates. So check this out. A luxury spa resort in Bali just unveiled spa drones that deliver champagne, chocolates, and hot towels to guests mid-massage, no staff, just guy service. One guest said it felt like being pampered by a sci-fi butler. Listen, if my bubble bath starts getting drone service, I'm never leaving the tub again. Period. Second brief. Airport in South Korea introduces karaoke booths to distressed travelers. You're in between flights, your layovers for hours, and boom, karaoke booth. That's what Seoul's Incheon Airport rolled out this week, private karaoke pods where you can belt your heart out before boarding. One guy missed his flight because he hit 5 encores. Airport said, "We support emotional expression." I say, drop the mixtape. Third brief. Tourist attempts ziplining in high heels, regrets it instantly. In Costa Rica, a tourist decided to zipline in 4-inch wedges because, and I quote, they matched her outfit. Baby girl made it across, but not before dropping one shoe into the jungle and realizing ziplining in heels ain't cute or smart. No injuries, just a little ego bruised and a shoe donation to the forest spirits. Fourth brief. Iceland's Blue Lagoon spa launches Mother's Day midnight glow soak. Guests can now experience the geothermal spa under twilight skies with soft music and rose petal floats, available all weekend long. Fifth brief. Venice debuts gondola brunch cruises for Mother's Day weekend. Bookable now, early morning gondola rides featuring fresh pastries, espresso, and live violin music on the canals of Venice. Sixth brief. Savannah, Georgia adds historic walking tours with Mother's Day tea stops. Special tours this weekend will include historic garden strolls and pop-up tea lounges with local storytellers and musicians. Travel tip of the day. If it doesn't have ankle straps, it's probably not Zipline ready. Cute shoes can save you midair. Closing brief. That's a wrap for the week, y'all. Whether you're celebrating Mother's Day with brunch on the beach or karaoke in the Sky Lounge, make sure it's full of love, laughter, and yes, a little chocolate. Wanna treat mom, yourself, or both? Start planning your next adventure at breathtakinglagoon.com. They've got the flight magic, the hotel heat, and the getaway energy your inbox deserves. See y'all next week, and don't forget to call your mama.